events of the road crash leading to the death of former Nyeri Governor Wahome Gakuru have been presented by his driver Samuel Kinyanjui. Now, Kinyanjui was driving that car which hit a guardrail on the 7th of November 2017 in Mackenzie area. Today marks the second day of the inquest in which the prosecution seeks to establish the cause of that accident. Our reporter Melita Oletenges has been following this and now joins us with a live report. Melita, good afternoon and good to see you from Nyeri. Of course, there's a lot of things that are coming out of this, but yesterday was the first day, today is the second hearing, and we still expect this to proceed for several days. But give us a gist of what was discussed today at that inquest.
Yes, indeed. As you said, Ken, we are coming to you from the Nyeri Law Courts, and today quite critical information coming out of the critical questions asked by the Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions, that is Peter Mairanyi, here at the Nyeri Law Courts, where the driver was driving the Mercedes-Benz, which was involved in that accident on the November 7th, that is in 2017, in Mackenzie area along the Nairobi-Nyeri highway, where the late Nyeri Governor Wahome Gakuru died in that grisly road accident. Now today, quite interesting details coming from this. The Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions asking why the vehicle that was involved in that accident did not stop immediately after the impact, after it hit a guardrail. Now, interesting details, as I'm saying, Ken, is that the driver of the vehicle, Samuel, is saying that after hitting the guardrail, the impact, of course, caused the airbags to come out, that is supposed to cushion someone when an accident happens. And instead of hitting the brakes, as there were no skid marks on the road, the driver says his foot remained stuck on the accelerator, thus following through the guardrail for 68 meters, and that is what caused the very bad injuries inflicted on the late Dr. Wahome Gakuru. Now, aside from that, also we've had the driver saying that he has been threatened by some members of the community here in Nyeri. Remember, on Tuesday this week, we had the governor's personal assistant also testifying here before the Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions, and he said that before his death, the governor was a troubled person, as he was not in good terms with some of his family members, and also he was not in good terms with some of his political allies who he had failed to appoint to different political positions in the county government. So, Ken, these are just some of the details that are coming out of this inquest, and these are some of the leads that the prosecution will be looking to follow to establish the cause of the horrific accident. Ken.
Right.